Thank you, Rector. Let me just give a brief outline of how we intend to work today. We should be off at 10:45, so we've got approximately an hour at our disposal. This is a citizens' dialogue. That's how it is intended to be. This conversation can become anything you want it to become. This is not so much about politicians giving speeches to you, even though I'm sure that politicians will try and give speeches to you as well. That's what their job is usually. But please, I mean, this is intended to be a freewheeling, open-ended discussion, and we spoke briefly with the commissioner as well. She's very open to your challenges as well. She wants to hear from you as well. So bear that in mind. Questions, comments, welcome at any moment. And most of you here gathered are bigger specialists in transport issues than I will ever be. So don't put your trust in me that I will ask all the right questions. Please use the opportunity to do that yourselves. Let's think of this as a conversation, all right? At the time when the new commission is just taking over, so we've got an opportunity to influence of how this policy is made and voice our concerns and what we think needs to be done. If you're not too comfortable with speaking in English or asking your questions in English, you can, do that in Latvian. I will do my best and try and translate that. Again, we want this to be as freewheeling and open-ended as possible, and yet we propose a rough structure for today's work. We intended there to be four main topics. The first one, investment plan, that is a big priority to the new commission, and the commissioner will talk about that. The second segment are infrastructure priorities for the Baltics. The third segment, cohesion policy funding for transport sector in Latvia in this new budgetary period up until 2020. And the fourth segment, security issues related to transportation. So approximately 15 minutes for each one of those rounds or segments of our discussion. But then again, don't feel limited to this structure, right? If you have any questions or comments, feel free to squeeze in at any moment. We have seen this person here before. Minister Andrijs Matīs doesn't really need an introduction, right? So let me introduce the commissioner instead. Violeta Bulc is from Slovenia. She has a BA and a master's degrees in science, technology, and management. So she's one of your own, of your crowd. Okay. She has been an analyst and entrepreneur for 20 years. She entered politics, I should say, fairly recently. As you may recall, I don't know how much you follow European Union politics, but there was a bit of a mix-up with the Slovenian candidate. But then Ms. Bulc stepped in and it was all resolved successfully. She admits that she is a newcomer to transport issues, but then again, the Commission President Juncker says that she learns fast. So we might try and help her in that process, okay? She performed well in the European Parliament hearings and was approved for the job. So now there she is, 4 months into that job.